Check that out. Look at how the water beads right there, and it just stays right on the surface. It's really cool. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master MP511 XXL gaming mousepad. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box right here with a sample of the fabric on it. So if you are in a store shopping for this item, you can actually feel it without even opening up the packaging, which is really cool. So obviously this is a gaming mouse pad that's really durable and splash resistant, and it does feature our Cordura fabric. So everything looks really nice from the box, very simple, straightforward. They also show you a couple of different product sizes right here depending on the mouse pad that you want. This is going to be the largest version they offer with specs of, they have them right here on the packaging somewhere. Where did I see it? The specs are as follows: 1220 millimeters for our length, 610 millimeters wide, and 3 millimeters thick. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature right here with our warranty information. This does come with a 1-year warranty. And then next up, you can see we have the gaming pad right here. And ironically, you can see we have the XL version. Again, we got the XXL now, but we're replacing our XL version right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so check it out. You can see we have everything unfolded right here. It looks great. We have our Cooler Master logo in the bottom left-hand corner. I really like the aesthetic of that. I actually kind of wish they had one front and center as well. I think that would be even cooler. But check it out. Everything looks great. It does exactly what I want for my desktop right here. We can also flip it over to the bottom side so you can get a feel of what the fabric looks like there as it holds fast and grips to our surface. And then we have our nice seam all around the perimeter of our gaming mouse pad right here. Oh my goodness, so cool. Now let's go ahead, let's grab our XL version so you guys can see the pretty substantial difference between these two. So again, look at the logo size even, and we'll put it right in the same corner. Check that out. It's a pretty big step up between the XL and the XXL. All right, so now let's talk about some of the key features. Obviously, it's going to be the durability and the fact that this is splash proof. So I've been using the regular XL for a couple of months now, built multiple PCs, recorded hundreds of videos on it, and it's worked great. Zero scratches, tears, any wear marks, or anything like that. And in regards to splash proofing, we'll test that live for you guys right here. But if you happen to spill on it, check that out. Look at how the water beads right there, and it just stays right on the surface. It's really cool what you're able to do. I mean, check that out. Obviously, we got a little wet spot there, but man, look at that. It just pools right at the surface, so it's really easy to go ahead and just wipe everything off. So now you can see I finished wiping everything off. It's nice and dry. You can't even tell we had any water on this mouse pad. It's not damp, wet, or anything else. There's no marks or anything that stayed here. We can flip it over to the back side. You can see same thing as well. You would never know that this got wet whatsoever. So it's definitely splash proof and it works great. So if you like to eat and drink at your computer where you're probably going to have this and you happen to spill, it's not a big deal. You're not going to ruin your mouse pad, and it's black, so that always helps too in regards to cleanliness. It's not going to show as much on here if you get any sort of stains or anything along those lines. But again, since it's splash proof, you'd be hard pressed to stain this unless you maybe take like some Cheeto and Dorito hands and maybe like go crazy on it for a couple of weeks. Then obviously, yeah, but still it's going to hide it a lot better than a white mouse pad would. Lastly, I want to show you guys what it's like to move a mouse on this mouse pad. So it's really comfortable. I'm really happy with it. It's a great mouse pad for moving your mouse. I want to go ahead, I'll just push it a couple of times so you can see there is going to be some travel as you would expect. But for this particular mouse, I really like how it behaves on here. Maybe it's just because of the bottom that we have and it's pretty well worn. But I'm happy with the movement. There is some friction or resistance. That's the best way I can describe it. But it's super responsive and smooth. So in my instance, it's definitely the case of bigger is better, but for your setup and needs, that might not be the case. So don't worry, the MP511 comes in multiple sizes: medium, large, extra large, and XL. XL. Just measure your desk and find out how much of it you want to cover. Do you want to put your keyboard and your mouse on the mouse pad? Great, you're probably going to be looking at the XL or above. Hey, maybe you just want to have a nice, small, compact mouse pad just for, yep, you guessed it, your mouse. Well then great, check out the medium or the large. Or maybe you're like me, you want to have basically a hybrid of a mouse pad and kind of a build mat, and you want to cover and protect most of your desk, then you're going to want to go with the XXL like you see right here. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.